Free AI websites that feel illegal. These AI websites are so powerful they almost feel illegal to use, but they're 100% free. Tool 1. Perplexity AI. A smarter search engine. It answers like ChatGPT but with real sources and live internet access. Tool 2. Leonardo AI. Like MidJourney but free. Generate game-quality AI art and design assets. Tool 3. Cleanup.pictures. Remove any object from an image with one click. Better than Photoshop. And free. Tool 4. VoiceMaker. Create realistic voiceovers instantly. Commercial license included. No watermark. Tool 5. Blackbox AI. Code faster than ever. It completes, explains, and translates your code like magic if you just found your new favorite AI tool. Sub for more wild tools coming tomorrow.